Rakshit and I'm back with another fun hobby. This time it is coffee painting. Yes, you heard that right. No, we are not going to drink coffee. We are going to use coffee and we are going to paint using coffee. So are you guys excited? Well, I am. In this course, we will go wild with our imagination. We will create amazing stuff from coffee like bubble painting, thread painting and even coffee mandala art. These look very amazing and tricky to do, right? But I'm going to show you guys a simple method of doing all these art. For coffee painting, all you guys need is a bit of urge to pursue a hobby and some coffee to create your aromatic works of art. We will learn more about the materials needed in getting started in the next session. So I'll see you guys in the next session. Stay tuned to What's Your Hobby?